Want to hear 3 Botox myths and for me to debunk them for you? Myth 1, does Botox freeze your whole face? No, it doesn't. There's lots of different ways you can use Botox. You can use it in different dosages so that you can remain to have movement. And most of the time, the way I treat my clients is nobody knows that you've had any type of tox. And that's my favorite. Number 2, Botox myth. Number 2 is Botox is only for wrinkles. Also not true. We use Botox in many different ways. One of the most important ones is pain control. We can use it for all types of different pain, whether it's TMJ pain, migraine pain, neck tension, all kinds of things. Tox has many different uses. Number 3, it's only Botox, Botox and Botox. Botox is the OG, it's the original. That is the original name, brand. There are multiple brands out there that do many different things, and some brands work better for some. For myself, I carry Nuceiva and I carry Dysport. They are all types of toxins, not just Botox, but I carry that one too. If you want to hear more, check out my channel.